Luigi say he threw away his share because he saw a male rat in the boundary between him and Okeke.
Yo, wait. Can you speak Igbo confidently? This February, it's your time to shine. It's Igbo Language Awareness Month. And Voice of the East is dropping the Igbo Get Ready With Me challenge. We are talking 1 million naira for first prize, 500,000 naira for second prize, and 200,000 naira for third prize. Here is the deal. Film yourself getting ready completely in Igbo, no English, Asukwala Beke. Post it on TikTok or Instagram. Engage with your fans and follow our pages to qualify. Follow the Voice of the East social media handles. This isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up, being proud, and making the Igbo language visible. Grab your phones, speak your language, and let's turn our culture into a movement this February.
A language only survives when people actually use it. If we don't speak Igbo out loud, share it, and then show it up, who is going to keep it alive for the next generation? And that is exactly why this month is Igbo Language Awareness Month, and Voice of the East is launching the Igbo Get Ready With Me challenge. We want to see you getting ready completely in Igbo, no English, just you speaking Igbo confidently and having fun with it. And yes, there's money on the line, big money. There's 1 million naira for first place, 500k for second place, and 200k for third place. So here's how winners are picked. We're looking at TikTok and Instagram. Check in shares, like, comments, all the engagement. Your content must be original and fully in Igbo, and you have to follow our pages, of course. Winners drop at the end of February. But listen, this isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up, being proud, and making Igbo visible. So grab your phone, record your Get Ready With Me video in Igbo, and let's show the world our language, our vibes, our culture this February.
In one.